Hello guys, this is your Manong Baru and welcome to my channel. Today's video guys, I am going to show you this BOYA. It's a headset actually, and this is essential to all the vloggers out there. This is the perfect one that we need for our vlogging. So stay tuned guys and we will unbox this cool thing. This is BOYA microphone BY-M1, and look at this guys. Now they call it omnidirectional microphone, whereas it receives and transmits signals in all directions, so meaning everything will be captured guys. So isn't that cool? Okay, we will see these features. It says here it's clip-on microphone for smartphone, DSLR, and camcorders, audio recorders, and of course your personal laptop. And it's it's omnidirectional condenser microphone, and it's high quality and it's ideal for a video use. It's noise cancelling, and this includes a foam and adapter and its battery. So we are going to unbox this and it looks promising. This looks promising guys, so let's unbox it. This BOYA microphone guys, this helps us record quality voices, and the good thing is you can directly connect it to our gadgets, to PCs and to your life. It is excellent for recording interviews, vlogs, and even singing. Yeah, so this is perfect guys, regardless of whether you are recording video or audio with the app on your device. Let's open guys. So let's open it. Of course they have this secured and beautiful packaging, and look at this. It's actually inside the pouch. See how cool it is guys. This is nice and it's well secured. This is a good idea of putting this pouch, and you can also use this pouch in the other purposes. This is it. This is the cord, and this is the main control. See, you can choose whether a camera or a smartphone. So this is actually applicable to your camera or DSLR and smartphone, and of course to your laptop. See, and warranty card and the instruction. So you will see the instruction on how to use it. It's easy to use guys, so all you need to do is to connect this to your phone or to your PC or to your DSLR camera. And oh, by the way, this is a 6 meters long. This is a 3.5 mm connector, and using the microphone, all you need to do is you have to clip it on. This is really nice because they do have a jack, which is the adapter to your microphone jack. See, it can also serve as the normal microphone, and of course the rubber to secure the mic itself. There you go. course, it includes the battery as well. So see, putting the battery is just an easy thing. So all you need to do is to loosen this up, and then inserting the battery, going through this microphone, guys. This picks up the sound. This is the power pack, and of course the camera setting here. There's the power on to the microphone for use with the cameras and other devices requiring a powered mic. If you want to turn off the microphone, so you just need to switch this one, the camera, and for the smartphone. And of course, this is the connector. It's a 3.5 mm connector with the adapter as well, that if you only need it. All right. Okay, so it's ready to use. By the way, guys, if we are using a smartphone, we don't need to install the battery, since I am going to use it with my phone. I will then remove it. We only need to put the clip here. There you go. And put this rubber on. And it's ready. It's ready to use. So all you have to do is plug this on and open a camera. Of course, we have to take video. So guys, all you need to do is to attach the microphone to your clothing, move the switch on and off, and you will see when you are using smartphone. Open the audio only or video recording app and begin the recording. Okay guys, so that's all for now. This is BOYA-M1, and if you're looking for a perfect microphone on your vlogging, perhaps consider this BOYA-M1 BOYA. So far, so good. That's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and don't forget to like and share, comment down below. Please have something to ask, and if you have to share, and if you don't forget the bell button for my new updates. Thank you so much, and see you on my next vlog.